Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the Limbao Show. Got Ray over here. We're chilling, taking some shit apart, putting things together, breaking shit, you know, the usual. Fuck. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny, and where's Ray? Ray's right there. Oh, he keeps moving. He's right there. And today we're gonna install. What are we installing?
An Android navigation unit
in the BMW E46. So let's get started. And we are out here putting the top down real quick. Woo! It's the Vert Life. And there's the package right there. That is the absolute unit.
Yeah, but that's the
and here's the trashed unit. So yeah, this is what happened here, huh?
Try to take a mat off and the LCD cracked.
Yeah, so we had the little eliminate mount here, the magnetic one, and I guess pulling it off just destroyed this LCD, so ripperoni, but it's okay. We just gonna replace it with a $500 fucking Android unit.
This comes up.
This is interesting.
And then we need to use these eBay tools.
Oh, the eBay tools.
Special,
the cheap little ring
special eBay
things that have. What are these?
These are the extractors.
Oh, they're the extractors. Oh, they're so cheap feeling. They're like really thin.
No! What did you do?
Okay, go fast.
Disconnect the battery now.
And hopefully it stays. Oh, yep.
Did it go back?
No, it's sick. Okay, so that was fun.
Okay.
What you got there? Oh, yep. Oh, maybe.
Where the fuck did
I don't
this
know.
go?
I don't know how these fucking I didn't even know this fucking tilted. What the fuck? It's always so awkward working out in this parking lot because the Lark shuttle comes back and people fucking like yeet. Oh, fucking hey. Okay,
it's out.
I thought we broke it, but apparently that's how you fucking do it on these Beamers. Jesus Christ.
So,
what the hell is this shit? This ain't no Honda. Guys, I drive a Honda. Disconnecting.
So you have to push the top down and then you pull that.
Oh, so this name. Intriguing. I like that. This is very intuitive, actually. That's really cool. Oh shit. Oh no! Let's not do that. Yeah.
Let's reconnect the battery so I can put it back.
Giving it power. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful day today. If you guys didn't know, yesterday it fucking poured just out of nowhere. It was awful. And today it's super nice and sunny. And tomorrow it's about to pour for the next week. And I just don't understand. April showers? I guess. Time to test fit the new unit. This thing's fucking. It's an absolute unit. God damn. Look at that. Jesus.
Oh,
look
God,
at that.
That is perfect.
Dude, damn. Does this also have a CD player? Does it also do tilt?
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay. Well,
I don't need a CD player anymore.
Fuck it, we don't need the CD. Yeah.
Okay, let's plug some. Oh, there's a
man,
15 amp fuse.
Yeah, it comes with one. Oh, is this the radio antenna?
Yeah, I think so.
So nubby. What the fuck?
A laser.
What? Why? Why?
Oh,
What is it?
it's a single DIN unit.
With a double DIN thing.
Screen. Yeah. Okay, let's connect some wires.
Let's connect some wires.
Let's connect some wires.
Oh boy, look at this wiring harness. I can't wait to attack this.
Here's some RGA
Oh
cable.
fucking hell. I thought that was it. We got hella wiring. Jesus Christ.
CCD Avin.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
It's for the backup control.
Oh, does that have camera?
No, it supports backup camera, but I didn't buy it.
Oh.
Because I'm too cheap.
Look at all this Chinese, you know. What does that say, Ray?
It just says backup control.
No, I'll say it in Chinese.
Oh, 倒车控制线.
I'm reading this this user guide, and well, I don't see install here, so I guess we're gonna have to. Is there an install?
No.
There's no install?
No install.
Holy shit, we're fucked.
We're fucked.
I guess we're just gonna plug shit into the back of this. Okay. Wait. I think I know what happened. Okay, so I think this thing go like this right here, right? So that plugs in perfectly. Give me the GPS unit. So this is the GPS thing, and I'm pretty sure this just extends it. This seems kind of off-brand, and it says GPS. It's kind of funny font there, and then we've got some 3M. So I guess we stick this somewhere, but where? Like, right there? Yeah. Oh, I got a spot. There we go. Stick the GPS right there. So we're very stuck. So Ray's gonna go grab his laptop, and meanwhile I've got just random wires plugged into where they fit, which makes sense because they only fit in these slots. They're very specific, so it's like kind of hard not to get them right, I guess. All right, we figured out a couple of things. So number one, we really don't need any of this because we don't have a backup camera and all that shit, so toss that. This goes into here, this big long connector, and all this shit goes back here. And then we've got the GPS, which is nice, because Rice is nice. And Ray's taking shit apart that he doesn't need to. Oh, yep, nice. So we have more room to see. But I don't know. I'm very confused. Yeah. Okay, so apparently we don't need to plug anything from here in because the power goes straight to the rear. We're just stupid, that's all. So don't worry about that. We're just gonna see if it powers on, and if it does, then we're good to go. And then we'll install the rest of this and try to figure out how to tuck that wiring all the way from the front here to the back of the car, because I don't know what we're gonna have to tear apart to do that. And
No.
turn on your car, boy.
Turn on my car. Holy shit.
So he's got the key in.
Oh wait, it's not.
Oh. And does this turn on? Accessory mode. Alright, so we're plugging a ton of shit back in here right now. Oh my god, I didn't even realize all this trim pieces were out. But yeah, so we're gonna get everything powered on, see if everything works.
Yeah, because it's like there's nothing connected to it, so it's probably not gonna give power to it.
Yeah, alright. Sometimes cars just don't like to work if you don't plug everything together. Oh shit, okay, so key is here. Ray's gonna put that in.
Crossing my finger.
We're gonna see if this works.
Still nothing?
Nothing. Alright, so the connection just wasn't tight, I think. Let's try this one more time. Oh dude, it powers on. Fucking
yes! Fucking A.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful, man. Look at that.
I just need to figure out how to tuck the
So now we
wiring.
have to figure out where the wiring's gonna go, but everything else works, so
Damn,
you're good to go. Oh my god. Okay, so we're taking out all the trim pieces on the interior here, and we're just gonna run the line, just tuck it right through here and see if we can figure out how to get it into the trunk. But once that's done, I mean, like, that's pretty much it. Yo, okay, so this is actually pretty easy. So we're just gonna run through here, under the steering column, run it straight down there, under the back seat, right into the trunk, and then we'll just plug in everything and we'll be good to go. And then this unit just goes in. It's an absolute unit. And we have
absolute
Luke here.
mad lad.
Oh, mad lad. That's fucking insane, bro.
I'm just sitting down here.
Yeah, he's just chilling. He just got home, and we're just kind of like sitting here right in front of the house, and you know, well, the apartment, but fucking we're just sitting here, and he was like, "Hey, what's up?" So it's lit. Got Luke here, and Ray's got his fucking feet in the air. Jesus, what's going on? God damn. Oh, dude. So yeah, we're gutting this car. We're actually making this a race car today, and we're putting in a Bluetooth unit, which is absolute, like, that's counterproductive, putting super nice equipment into a race car. But you know what? No, it's fucking around. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. It's got the whole. He knows this car inside out. Oh yo, Alex is home too. Got the whole fucking squad out here, dude.
Fans out here.
Right now we're relocating all of the stuff from that side to this side because like people are driving through here. Ray's got the next piece going. Oh. What the fuck? Okay. Just give it to me, god damn it. Okay. So yeah, relocation successful. Alrighty guys, so we got the 2 wires actually all the way through. I don't know if you'll be able to see here, but basically behind this Bluetooth module there is a spot where it just goes straight through the trunk, and we just put our fingers through there and then push the wires through, and then it just went through. So now we've got these 2 wires poking out here, and we're just gonna run them all the way along and cover everything up afterwards. I got everything here tucked nice and flush, so as you can see there's no wiring showing here. We're gonna pop this piece back on afterwards, and then I've got this wiring tucked back here, and we're gonna pull the rest of this harness all the way through, and then everything will be clean. So we have gotten most of the panels back in, got this panel back in, everything's tucked super nicely. And now we just have to put the rest of the seats in. We didn't even have to take those out, but it's okay. And then after that, we're good to go. We got it all installed. It looks fucking amazing. Does its own thing here. And apparently, it can be synced up to shit. I don't know. Got the Bluetooth, got the internets. Nice. Alrighty, guys. So, we did some cutting. Look at that. Fucking primo. Put all the trim pieces back in, and it looks amazing. It works with everything. You know, we installed Uber Eats app on this, SwiftKey. Like, it's a full-fledged Android tablet. You can watch YouTube videos, play music, do anything you want. Ray, are you happy with it?
I'm super happy with it.
Yeah, he loves this thing. I love it too. It's time for me to get one.
Time to fucking smash this one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna destroy the other one.
Destroy the other one.
And yeah, so everything looks amazing, and it does everything we want it to. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that fucking like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're doing more and more things now, and Luke, Ray, and I are about to head to class, so I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.